Just the other day, I got a call from one of our property managers. One of our tenants that we were just about to evict because they hadn't been paying rent for months and months. The day before they were set to get evicted, they decided to stop up all of the sinks in the unit, leave the water running, and take off. So they ended up flooding not just their unit, but also the unit next door. So this is what I do not like about being a landlord. I love investing in real estate and love providing great housing for people. But now that I have 2 young kids at home, I just don't have the patience anymore. So that's why I love passive real estate investing. As a passive real estate investor, I get to partner with great people on the ground who do all the heavy lifting. I don't have to do any of the work, but I get great returns. So if you're like me and you are tired of the headaches that come with being a landlord, maybe it's time to give passive investing a try. I think you just might like it. It's a slippery slope.